How to go live on StreamYard with automatic captions. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, Support Specialist at JMV Technology. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to go live on StreamYard with automatic real-time captions. Besides making your broadcast more professional and easier to follow, this feature also helps you comply with accessibility laws. And if you're just starting out, scan the QR code to access our course platform for free. There you'll find various trainings focused on live streaming. StreamYard doesn't have native captions, so we'll use the live transcription tool alongside it. First, let's set up the live stream in StreamYard. Go to StreamYard.com. If you don't have an account yet, click Get Started. If you already do, log in. Click Create Live Stream. In the destination field, select the service that provides an RTMP or M3U8 output link. We'll need this to add captions later. If you don't use a service that provides this link yet, know that JMV Technology already offers live streaming with integrated real-time subtitles. In other words, you don't need to do all this manual process. If you want to learn more, just scan the QR code on screen. Enter your live stream name and click Create Live Stream again. On this screen, you can test the microphone and enter your name so it appears in the broadcast. When everything's ready, click Enter Studio. In the studio, you can click to add slides, an extra camera, videos, images, share your screen, or even invite someone else to join the live. In this example, I'll add a recorded video. There are also different layout options to arrange elements on screen. After setting everything up, click Go Live. With the live stream running, copy the outgoing HLS or M3U8 link that will be available on the server you're streaming to. This is the link we'll use to insert the captions. Next, go to live-transcription.com and click Start Free Trial. The platform offers 30 free minutes. You can create an account using email or sign in directly with Google. After signing up, you'll receive a confirmation code via email. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam folder too. Click Create New Stream. Paste your HLS link and then click Validate Stream. At this point, the tool will verify if the link is valid. Remember that the live stream needs to be active for this to work properly. Below that, enter a name to identify the broadcast and click Continue. Here you select the original language of the live stream. In my case, it's Portuguese. If you want, you can check this option to generate TXT and SRT files with the transcription after the live ends. These files will be available for download afterwards. Next, enable the option to translate into other languages. In the free trial, you can choose up to 3 languages. I'm going to select just English. You can also uncheck the original language option if you prefer. With everything set up, click Start Transcription. Here you can already see the live preview. For each language selected, the tool generates a specific HLS link you can copy by clicking this button. The cool thing about this tool is that subtitles are embedded directly in the video, no special player or plugin needed, working on any device. In Live Story, you can view all active and finished broadcasts. By clicking on one, you can access the view. This one, for example, is the English version. At the top, you can track the remaining transcription time. When you want to end it, just click Stop Stream. After the live ends, you can view the recording normally. If the option to generate TXT and SRT files is enabled, the transcript appears next to the video, allowing you to search by keywords. Plus, you can copy the player link to share, view the player, and download the TXT and SRT files. If the free 30 minutes expire, you can upgrade directly on the platform by accessing the Billing and Plans menu. That's it. Now you can go live on StreamYard with automatic real-time captions, making your broadcasts more accessible and professional. If you liked the video, share, and follow us on our social media for more content like this.